Hey guys, I wanted to share a product with you. It's the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. The powder is milled so finely that it just feels like silk. It's like amazing. I love the feel of it. On my brown skin, I want to show you what this color appears like. It literally is very, very translucent. Look at that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you really quickly how to bake. So I'm gonna put it underneath here. See right there. So if I wanna just kind of set my concealers that I put on top of my eyelids, all I do is just take this little brush. You guys seriously need to buy this powder because it really, really works. This is a must-have if you are a pro makeup artist, if you're an amateur artist, if you're just doing makeup for yourself. This is a product that you absolutely need to have. So pro advice, definitely buy the Mercier Translucent Powder. And the actual link of the product can be found right below in my Macy's store. So check it out and let me know what you think or if you guys have any questions.